Are you ready to take your driving experience to the next level? Introducing the ninetom wireless CarPlay Retrofit Kit Decoder for Lexus RX NX ES UX LS LX RC LC GS Series 2014 to 2019. With this incredible upgrade, you can enjoy seamless connectivity and a range of exciting features right from your car's console. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This retrofit kit decoder is designed specifically for Lexus models from 2014 to 2019, including RX, NX, ES, UX, LS, LX, RC, LC, and GS series. It's important to note that for RX models, compatibility is limited to vehicles from 2016 to 2019 with vertical screens. So if you're unsure, reach out to us for confirmation. Now, let's dive into the features. With support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AirPlay Mirror Link, you'll have access to Siri or Google-like voice control, allowing you to make calls, navigate maps, stream music, and read messages without taking your eyes off the road. Plus, you can even access YouTube right from your car's console for entertainment on the go. But what about your car's original features? Don't worry, this retrofit kit decoder seamlessly integrates with your existing console while retaining all the original functions. You can still use your buttons and steering wheel controls to navigate the CarPlay system effortlessly. And let's not forget about safety. The kit supports original reversing cameras and parking radars, ensuring you have full visibility while maneuvering your vehicle. Additionally, it supports aftermarket reversing cameras and 360 cameras, along with front camera DVR functionality. Installation is a breeze with plug-and-play connectivity, so there's no need to worry about cutting or damaging any wires. And if you need assistance, our team is here to help. Plus, with a 1-year free warranty, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. So, if you're ready to upgrade your Lexus driving experience, look no further than the ninetom wireless CarPlay Retrofit Kit Decoder. Enhance your connectivity, safety, and entertainment on the road like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.